A little before and after here. So this is the kind of before. It's a little rusty. And I'm just using this stuff here. It's called Easy Liner. So there's the before, and let's see what it looks like after. Well, that's the first coat. I gotta say, that stuff goes on really nice and easy. Really nice stuff. Really makes a difference. Well, we'll wait for it to dry and see what it looks like. Well, I don't know. I think it turned out pretty well, don't you? I'm very happy with this stuff. Turned out very well. It's nice and dry. It's been about 4 hours. Yeah, looks good. Somebody's coming to look at the truck, so we'll see if they take it. Well, it must have done the job for looks, because the truck sold. So he's just coming to pick it up tonight. So really good stuff. I've even tried to scratch it and it won't come off. It's really durable. So yeah, that worked out really well. This is the stuff here. Easy Liner. Really good stuff. Big can. It's got a rattler in it. Really good. So if you guys want to try this, it's Easy Liner. Works good for bumpers and stuff like that. I might try it on some other ideas, tractors or something like that. But yeah, hopefully somebody found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe. Ciao for now.